On August 10th, 1856, a devastating Category 4 hurricane rocked Last Island, Louisiana, with winds at an estimated 150 miles per hour. Since then, multiple other Category 4 storms have struck the area, although none quite as intense. There was Betsy in 1965, Camille, which grazed the far eastern bayou before making landfall in Gulfport, Carmen in 74, Andrew in 92, and Katrina, which weakened to a Category 3 just prior to landfall. The common theme was that all of these were in a similar geographic spot. Never before has a hurricane with the strength of the Last Island storm come close to the western coastline of Louisiana. Hurricane Laura started as Tropical Depression 13, which struggled for days to organize in the Atlantic. As the storm approached the islands of Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and Cuba, steady organization ensued, though its future was uncertain. The storm's low-level center could have easily been disrupted by the mountainous terrain, but by August 25th, it was evident the worst-case scenario was coming to fruition. Now Tropical Storm Laura was exiting the harsh terrain as an organized system with a nearly stacked low and mid-level center. It would be entering its best environment yet, with virtually no dry air or shear and water temperatures in the upper 80s. It was now being progged to make landfall as a major hurricane. On Wednesday morning, August 26th, we made our way to Lake Charles, Louisiana after spending the night in Houston. The plan was to scope out the area and find a place to ride out the storm. Now, the problem with intercepting a hurricane in this area is the lack of coastal communities, and the ones that do exist have populations in the hundreds with no suitable shelters. Lake Charles is nearly 30 miles inland, which is the furthest I've ever been from the coast during a hurricane chase, but there was no other choice. It had to be Lake Charles.
We're now getting the first few outer bands of Category 4 Hurricane Laura. We're here in Lake Charles, where it is expected to make landfall tonight around midnight or so. This is one of the last remaining gas stations open that still has any gas, and we are going to find a place to hunker down and ride this one out.
After driving around and collaborating with other storm chasers, we chose this parking garage in downtown Lake Charles. Now, parking garages are ideal for hurricane chasing, as they offer multiple views, multiple levels to retreat to, and solid, reinforced concrete walls and stairwells to protect us from the flying debris. By midnight, we started getting our first hurricane-force gusts. As usual, we drove around for a while to get some final shots of the area before the conditions became too dangerous and would force us back to the garage. Roll down your window a little bit so you can get some audio. Yeah, get over there.
Now it's about 80 mile an hour gusts. We're talking 160. And yeah. Back up about 47 feet. Yeah, our British friend needs to move away from there. Oh, something just came off the roof of the Chase building.
Whoa, that's lightning.
There's Rich. Come on. Some of the gusts we definitely got once or twice. Yeah, look right there.
Yeah, I know.
It's literally right here.
All right, we're right on the brink of the eye wall here. Lake Charles, Louisiana.
From this point on, I'm just going to let the footage roll. The inner eye wall was now just down the street, and catastrophic winds in excess of 140 miles per hour were only moments away. Occasionally you will see the camera view switch between myself and my chase partner Evan Hatch.
Big glass breaking.
Oh my god.
That whole entire building just lost all of its glass.
The roof's gonna go, the roof's gonna go. What? Oh my God. Giant pieces of glass falling. Thank God the wind is blowing that way. We would be screwed.
Holy crap! This is
Be careful.
A giant piece of drywall came off.
It's way crazier.
Oh my god. The whole room. Yeah, I just lifted up part of it. Oh, glass. Yeah, the roof lifted off. It lifted off.
Careful. Whoa, big piece just fell. See all the debris falling right here? Oh my God.
Now, we were in the eye, but it wasn't calm. As hurricanes break down over land, they can send mesovortices or eddies careening around the center of the eye. This created chaotic conditions, and though we didn't have much rain, the wind was still there. After the storm finally passed and the sun started to rise, we drove around Lake Charles to inspect the damage and check on the water levels.
All right, here's a storm surge coming in. It's definitely nowhere near what some of the higher expectations were, but it's making its way inland.
Laura tied the record for the strongest storm to strike Louisiana since the last island storm of 1856. It was also the strongest storm to strike that area of Louisiana since records have been kept. Thank you all for joining us in this harrowing adventure. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and please consider donating to help the individuals impacted by this storm.